Hi, I am Carlos from Carlos M Kitchen, and I'm excited about this recipe because it's really delicious and goes really fast. We're used to eat grilled swordfish, but once it starts getting colder, it is good to have a quick and easy cooked up recipe. For those who haven't tried this fish, the texture is similar to a tender pork chop. When it is cooked properly, it's tender and moist. This is a Mediterranean recipe from Spain, guys. So it's very tasty. That was one steak, and I asked the fishmonger to slice it in two, and that's how he cut the fish. What are you gonna do? I didn't realize it until I got home, so here are the ingredients. I need a sweet onion, one garlic clove, some saffron strands, a bay leaf, cornstarch, and a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, half a glass of white wine, salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley, seafood broth. If you follow me, that's the leftover broth from the fish and shrimp balls I made last week. But I bought some more just in case I need it. It's better to have more than less. Those are leftover potatoes from the fish balls as well. I don't like to throw away food, so I'm gonna give those potatoes a second life in this dish. And you can always create new things with leftovers. I start with the onion because that's gonna take the longest. I'm gonna dice them and caramelize them. I did it on low heat, and while they cook, I am going to prep the other ingredients. Here I'm going to blend the garlic clove with the saffron, a little olive oil, and parsley. You can use a mortar as well, you don't have to do it in that thing. Let me know in the comments if you have made the swordfish this way in sauce and how you make it. I would love to know. The fish was not properly sliced, but it was very fresh. It actually looks very good. I'm gonna pat dry it with paper towels, that way it won't splatter. Well, it will still splatter, but it won't splatter as much. Here I have two options. I can salt and pepper the fish or salt and pepper the sauce. Let me know how you do it. Because I add the salt and pepper in this step, I didn't add any salt and pepper to the sauce. And it was perfectly cooked, and the flavor was perfect for my taste, but you can always correct at the end. The onion is the way I want it. Now it's time to add the cornstarch and cook it for a couple of minutes. Raw flour doesn't taste good, so we have to cook it. If you like what you are seeing so far, give this video a thumbs up so other people can find it. And as usual, comments are welcome. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Once the cornstarch is cooked, I add the wine. We need to integrate that really well. I'm gonna cook the wine for about 5 minutes to allow the alcohol to evaporate. Now, once the alcohol is evaporated, I add the seafood broth and allow it to reduce. And after that, I add the mashed garlic with the saffron and the parsley as well as the bay leaf. Make sure to check out the fish and shrimp balls at the end of the video. It has a different sauce and I think you will like it too. I preheated the canola oil on medium-high heat to sear the fish. I don't want to fully cook it. Because the steaks are very thin, I just cook them for about 1 minute on each side. If that, they will finish cooking in the sauce. See, they're just cooked on the outside. After 30 seconds or a minute, I added the sauce to the fish. They will be done in 2 more minutes. I want them nice and juicy, not overcooked. I add the potatoes last, and as you probably know, they will absorb the flavors from the sauce. The bay leaf already did its job, so out it goes. The fish and the sauce turned out delicious, and I ate it with a piece of rustic bread. If you make it, let me know what you think about it. Hope you like the video and the recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!